Attention customers! Today we introduce the vertical wiper assembly numbered KG-010, specially designed for large buses and long-distance coaches. Its transmission mechanism center distance is between 1100毫米 and 1300毫米, with excellent adaptability in terms of power. The system features the 150W high power bus wiper motor, offering both 12 and 24 voltage options to easily adapt to various vehicle circuits. The wiper blades are designed with a universal clip interface, available in length HS ranging from 750毫米 to 900毫米, ensuring effective water removal. The wiper arm features a vertical double bus structure, and the clip interface includes a nozzle, also available in length HS from 750毫米 to 900毫米. Additionally, this assembly is equipped with a 3.5-liter wiper washer, providing strong support for clear visibility during driving. If your company is in need of purchasing a wiper assembly, this KG-010 is definitely worth considering, so get it now.
Remember to like and follow.